Hi everyone, welcome back once again to the OSINT video VIEH group. So there might be some sort of situations where we have a couple of URLs, right? So, but there are some sort of chances that the URLs might affect your system. The URL might send some malicious thing to your front end, whatever you're accessing. Okay, so sometime we might be afraid of. So what usually we do, we open up the virtual box. Okay, and we just enter up that URL into the browser, whatever we have into the virtual box. So this is what exactly we do. But in case, what if someone does not have virtual box and they need to access that URL instantly and wants to say what exactly the things which is inside that URL, okay, and little more information. Then there is a very useful website, okay, so which is called urlscan.io, which is a kind of sandbox for the web, right? And it is going to give you a lot of information. So there are a couple of URLs which was scanned earlier. So in my case, I'll be checking out, let's say, google.com, for example. And this video is for educational purpose only, so don't use for any illegal things. Okay, so the site is loading and the URL is google.com, which is a search engine usually we use, right? So it's taking a little bit time. So let's wait. Yeah, here we go. So this is exactly what will show you. Okay, what will show you exactly when you enter up this URL into the browser, right? And this is the website have 7 IP, one country across 3 domain, and there's a lot of information. It will take a lot of time to read out all those things. So this is the first URL we are accessing, right? And if you click, you will get a detail about this IP address. Okay, page statics 45, and this is the URLs, right? And these are the URLs by which you can access. If you want to get HTTP things, okay, status code, what are the resource path? Okay, there are a couple of 200 status code and the country which is accessible. And direct, if any URL history or redirection or something, things are there. There are a couple of associated links, okay, which might open at the time of just fetching that URL. Okay, these are the behaviors. What are things which might be show you indicators. Okay, there are a couple of subdomains. There are a couple of things which is a kind of indicators, IOCs or something. Similarities. What are the similar things? What are similar domains that they have, right? So let's go back. DOM content APIs, so everything's there. So the good thing about this website is you can check out the live screenshot as well, right? So when you click, it will show you a screenshot. Okay, it will show you the screenshot now, and this is show you the screenshot now. It's loading. Okay, so it will just refresh. Okay, so when you click, it will refresh it out. Okay, whenever you click on that button, at that time it will take a screenshot and it will show you. Okay, this is what you will get, right? And yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is something else, right? This is very much important if you're in threat intelligence or if you're investigating any ransomware, malware, whatever things you have. So just give it a try. Again, you'll love this application or website. So make sure, okay, this is the urlscan.io and this is very much useful. If you enjoyed this video, just give a thumbs up and you might subscribe if you want to see some more similar OSINT video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.